Hi, Ayaan. What are you doing?
I'm just having fun with my new book.
Did you like your book?
Yeah, this is my most favorite book, even more favorite than my space book that I have.
What is so special about this book?
It can make sounds
Oh, you're taking off.
like the space book, but it has more sounds and there is a steering engine, so you can feel that you're flying the.
What else does it have? So what do you do?
So when I open the book, when I'm reading, there's these sounds that they tell you to press. So I press this.
Oh,
this
so
one.
everybody's talking.
So then this one, this one. So then this one, this one. So then the walkie-talkie.
Oh, nice book you got.
Yeah. And they are taking a trip to Sandyland and the pirates, they also went in the snow and they also went in the snow and they went skiing.
So they are going on a vacation. Summer is always fun because you go on a vacation.
And also the pirates went skiing.
Wow, that's so much fun. So today we are going to learn about aeroplane.
Yay! Welcome to Ayaan's Play World. Hey guys! Are you sad that summer vacation is over? But the fun part about summer vacation is going on an aeroplane trip. So today we are going to learn about an aeroplane. Let's get right into it. An aeroplane is a vehicle that can fly in the sky. It comes in different shapes and sizes. It's a mode of aerial transportation. It's one of the fastest transportations in the world till now. It has two main wings and with them there are high turbine engines. There are two more wings in the back and a tail which helps reading direction to the plane. It's flown by a pilot and an assistant pilot. Oh, I remember in my last visit, I saw big aeroplanes in big hangars. And I saw aeroplanes taking off and landing in a long runway. Do you see aeroplanes moving inside the airport? That's called taxiway. It's mainly used to carry people and goods over long distances. Have you wondered